If you're a business owner, here's what you might be thinking. You wake up in the morning and think, damn, I missed another call last night. Or, did I miss a call last night? Or, I need to find a time to call them back today. Then you think, I hope they didn't ring someone else. Hopefully they still pick up. Or you open your email and it's full and you're wondering, are customers sitting in here waiting on me right now? The gap right there, that's where revenue disappears. And what I'm about to show you doesn't replace your business. It sits on top of it. Businesses today are finally open to things like chat widgets or chatbots, AI receptionists, automated follow-up, missed call, text back. But the problem is you don't want more software, right, to manage. You just want it handled. You want better systems installed so customers actually get responses. So let me show you what that looks like. First, your website. Instead of someone landing on your site and leaving, they can instantly ask a question. They can tap on a button and start a conversation, whether it's via text or voice. They can even book right in there. They can book an appointment right in there via the text or the voice agent. So instead of scrolling through pages trying to figure things out, they get an answer immediately. If they have a question about anything, they get a response instantly. Next, the phone. Normally when someone calls, you're busy. It goes to voicemail. Now imagine it doesn't. Instead, something answers instantly, asks what they need, and books them in, or starts a text conversation immediately. Think of it like your front desk that never misses a call, never forgets to reply, never forgets to follow up. Think of it being your 24/7 assistant, never gets sick, never takes weekends off, is working 24/7, right? And here's the real point. None of this is about AI or tech. It's about conversations. So more conversations equals more booked jobs. That's it. Now, let's talk about follow-up, the place most businesses lose money. Someone calls and you miss it. They would get an instant text saying, hey, sorry, missed your call. How can I help? The voice agent's going to answer the call and act as you. It's going to answer the person's problem. It's going to answer the question. It's going to say, yep, cool, we'll be around at this time of this day. And if they fill out a form, same thing. They're going to get a message immediately, an email immediately, or a call immediately, okay? Now the leads don't disappear. They're getting responded to immediately, not hours later, not tomorrow morning, right away. So instead of sitting in your inbox or getting unanswered, it turns into an active conversation. And the difference this makes is huge because now every message, every lead, every inquiry lives in one place. Calls, texts, website chats, forms, appointments. You can actually see what's happening in your business, who's responded, who booked, who needs following up, where jobs are coming from. Instead of guessing, you know. Then comes the follow-up after booking. So your confirmations, your reminders, your check-ins, and message to people who never replied. This alone stops no-shows and recovers work most businesses lose every week. So why do businesses keep systems like this? Why do businesses install systems like this? Because they can see the conversations, they can see the appointments booked, they can see the response speed, they can see the organisation. Before, everything lived in memory. Your diary, we got to handwrite stuff, and that's if you remember to write in there, in sticky notes. Now, it's visible. And here's the important part. It doesn't replace your marketing, your website, or your staff. It supports it. It just makes sure every opportunity actually gets handled because most businesses don't have a lead problem, they have a response problem. check out the description below. There's a link in there that you can role play with the agent, demo it, take it for a spin, and you can see what it would look like on your website. And if you don't have a website, no issue, we've got you covered there. So take it for a spin, flick us a message if you have any questions, or book straight into an appointment.